In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic 2 Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2013 MCQ, that is a plane passes through the point 320 and the line x minus 3 divide 1 is equal to y minus 6 divide 5 is equal to z minus 4 divide 4 is solution. Since plane passing through first, that is 3, second 6 and third number 4, it means 3 6 4 a into x minus 3 plus b into y minus 6 plus c into z minus 4 is equal to 0. That is equation number 1. Let a I unit vector plus b j unit vector plus c k unit vector in the direction of normal of the plane a I unit vector plus b j unit vector plus c k unit vector into, so denominator, that is 1 5 4, it means I unit vector plus 5 unit vector plus 4 k unit vector is equal to 0. Therefore I unit vector plus 5 j unit vector plus 4 k unit vector in the directions of given lines, that is a plus 5 b plus 4 c is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Plane passes through 3 to 0, so it satisfies the equation 1, that is put it means x equal to 3, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 0. So 3 minus 3 0 a 0, so b into 2 minus 4 6 into minus 4, so minus 4b plus c 0 minus 4, it means minus 4c, so minus 4b minus 4c is equal to 0. Minus 4 common, so b plus c is equal to 0, so b is equal to minus c, put b is equal to minus c in equation 2, so equation 2 becomes, that is a plus a minus 5c c plus 4c is equal to 0, so a minus c is equal to 0, a is equal to c, hence minus a is equal to b is equal to minus c, putting the values in equation 1, so equation 1 becomes, that is a into x minus 3 minus a into y minus 6 plus a into z minus 4 is equal to 0. So take a common, so x minus y plus z, so number that is minus 4 plus 6, it mean plus 2 minus 4, so which is equal to minus 1, so x minus y plus z is equal to 1, so option A is correct, that is x minus y plus z is equal to 1. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.